Hi, I have a Beko Prosmart Inverter. It is showing an error code E001 and when I open it there is water at the bottom. Can you tell me how I drain the water and hopefully clear the error?
Have you checked for the code in the manual?
I have but didn't understand it. It basically says call for technical help.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No, are you joking? I'm completely hopeless. Unless I can clear the error by pressing buttons, then I'm stuck. Frown.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not really. I am not technical at all, if that helps.
Hi, thanks for using JA. I'm Gavin, one of the experts here. Could you please confirm the actual model number, please? It's normally printed on the right-hand side of the control panel. Please ignore any service requests as these are generated by the site, not me. Many thanks, Gavin.
Hi Gavin, the model number is, although the manual seems to leave the X off. Many thanks.
Thank you. The manuals can be generic, hence leaving the last letter off. I'll just bring up your model details. If you cancel the current program and restart a new one, the first part of the cycle runs the drain pump. Could you try this and let me know if you can hear the pump running and if any water drains out, please? When it gets to the point that it starts to fill, switch off and open the door.
Hi Gavin, thanks for this update. Unfortunately, it won't let me clear the E01 error. I was advised by Beko to switch it off at mains for 2 hours, then try cancel program again, but E01's still there and won't let me select another program. Machine was full of water, so I have manually emptied this and have switched off again, so we'll try this again in the morning, canceling program and running a new one. Thanks.
No problem, let me know how you get on.
Hi Gavin, Sadie, no change. The error message E01 remains and it won't let me select or run any other program. Thanks.
Is there a constant whirring noise?
Just a very quiet, continuous noise when I switch it on, but hardly audible.
Thanks, I know what's happened here. You have had an internal overflow or leak. What you need to do is pull the dishwasher out and put a large towel under the back of it, then tilt it back. This will drain off the water for you and let you use the dishwasher again. I recommend that you run an empty cycle after you have done this, as if the error happens again you will have to repeat the process and then remove the side panels and look for a leak. Let me know how you get on. Please remember to click on the stars to rate my help. Many thanks, Gavin.
Hi Gavin, this is what I did last night. I tipped the machine and then scooped out the rest of the water manually and the rest with a sponge. Then I left off all night and switched on again this morning. With all due respect, I can't rate your advice so far, as I have only been given info that I found myself doing a brief search on the internet with no prior knowledge at all of technical faults with dishwashers. Can you advise further? Thanks. Also, I can't run the cycle with an empty machine as I have mentioned in each of my updates, the E01 error will not clear and allow me to select any program to run.
The E01 means that the machine is detecting an internal leak that has triggered the float switch. When you tipped the machine back, did any water leak out?
Hi, yes, water did tip out. So I tipped until all dry, then removed the rest of the water inside the machine manually. I left overnight to try dry out and run the program in the morning, but still get same error. Does it need to be dried out more in order to clear the error? Thanks.
It's probably going to be easier for you if you remove the right-hand side panel so you can actually see what's going on. When you remove it, you will be able to see the float that raises with the water level. If you have already managed to drain all of the water that was in the base, it's possible that it is stuck in its raised position, hence the reason that the error hasn't cleared.
Okay, so I'll probably get someone else to do that for me. So, remove the right-hand panel of the dishwasher? Is this held in with screws that are easily removed normally? If it is still in a raised position, then is it just a matter of manually moving this back down? It will be later today when I can get someone to help me with this. I don't want to break it further by tinkering myself when I don't know what I'm doing. Would you have a diagram of what it should look like? Thanks.
No problem. Yes, it's easily removed. You need to take the lid off first. And remove the screws at the top, then there are screws at the front and back also. I don't have a diagram as such, but I'll source the switch assembly to see if I can get a picture for you.
Thank you for this. It'll be later this afternoon before I'm able to update this again, as I am waiting on some help to do it. Many thanks.
No problem. Just reply when you are ready and I'll reply as soon as I can. This link shows the float and the plastic that holds it in place. https://www.4hourhouse.co.uk/search.pl Query equals DFN28R31 plus float.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.